This is a public service announcement for your safety. If you value your life and those dear to you, please vacate the following areas: Las Laganjas Boulevard, Alta Street, San Andres Avenue, Grove Street, and La Fluenta Blanca Ranch. You are highly advised to seek underground shelter. Thank you for your attention. The attacks will commence in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And that's really hard to talk about, and it's always been really hard to talk about, because I feel like if you haven't felt it, it's really hard to explain to somebody how you're feeling.
It's different for everybody. You can't, like I said, you can't just box up and be like, this is depression.
I was making more noises than the gale outside.
Sorry, buses.
What's your tone?
Anything where there's a constructed fantasy, right back to sort of ancient Greece, with ancient Greek drama, and throughout even the religious writing, the concept of a parable, a story that inspires, whether that's to inspire you to be a good person or to follow a particular leader or whatever. There have been these models that people have used for thousands of years to give comfort and to possibly help you to function better.
Imagine me and you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the girl you love and hold her tight. So happy together. If I should call you up, invest a dime, and you say you belong to me, lose my mind. Imagine how the world could be so very fine, so happy together.